Welcome back. You will now be able to observe and hopefully understand a worked example of hybrid. First, we'll look at the project scope diagram and break it down into different components. Then look at the best methodology for each one. Before we look at extracting the data from the legacy system, it's important to understand what is currently being provided and what the expectations are for the new system. There are three major components on the legacy system, which are network alarms, investigating faults, and overnight reports, but there are four on the new one. Three of them are more or less the same as the old system, but with enhanced functions. And the new system will also allow users to generate reports on demand. These are referred to as online reports. We judged that there would be 5 streams of work. This would be the 3 enhanced features, plus the new online reports, plus the ETL work, where data will migrate from the legacy database to the new one. Starting with the network alarms, there are some enhanced features required on the new system. Let's see how this was delivered. We decided to use Waterfall for the alarms component. It was not possible to deliver them incrementally and was dependent on the new database being available to fully test it. So we can only go as far as component testing. The other test phases would have to wait for the system integration. This is better illustrated on a V model. On that basis, we decided to press ahead with the items highlighted in blue. We made good progress and even did some component tests using mock data. But we had to wait for the ETL work to be completed before testing the integrated components. Next, we looked at the enhanced investigating faults component and decided to use the same waterfall path as the network alarms component. This was partly decided for us when the software development teams informed the project team they were unable to deliver the features incrementally. This also made the project planning much easier, as both components use the same approach. We are nearly halfway through the case study, and so far, the first 2 components have used the waterfall method. We will continue this case study in the next lesson and look at how overnight reports, online reports, and ETL use completely different approaches, even though they are part of the same project. I will see you there. Remember, all lessons are free, so please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing and allows us to keep creating free content for you.